rise for our opening prayer, and may I call Pars Theater to lead our prayer for today.
Yes, teacher. Let's bow our head and close our eyes and let us pray. Oh God,
give you of us and allowing offering we our work and studies. Help us, dear Lord, to be obedient to our teachers, kind to our opinion, to the end
of our studies, that we may merit thy blessing for ourselves, for our school,
Lord, that we want to use our duties and thank you, Pastor. And before all to say no, please observe your surrounding and any class or in any ticket of the number of class is growing the high basketball. So today,
thank you, teacher.
So today, before we proceed for our topic, let's first check your attendance. If you hear your name, just raise your hand and say praise. Do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
So let's start on Agil.
Present, teacher.
Anwar.
Present, teacher. Present, teacher. CR po.
Kats.
Present, teacher.
Very good, no? So si Anwar lang ako natin, absent for today. So let's give a round of applause for our teacher. So now, before the teacher na mag-start sa ating discussion, what is the thing, what must you do in the future?
Teacher, listen carefully.
Very good.
Teacher, participate, teacher.
Very good. Anything?
Don't be noisy.
Very good, no? I will
Teacher,
expect
teacher. Yes, open it, teacher.
Very good.
Teacher.
That's right, no? I will expect it that way.
Yes, teacher.
No, now is what you... Now, I am here and sent in charge here.
Yes, teacher.
What do you observe?
Teacher.
Yes, person.
Sir, there's Karen. And son.
Very good. And that's
Teacher, there's a dark background, teacher, where we describe our universe, teacher.
that's right. Very good. No? As you can see, this picture, we call this the eccentric chart. The eccentric chart, this is the reflection between the two groups. We have that two group here, which is starting in the group 1, Anas and the Bakra, David's the group 1. And the group 2 naman, starting to Agil and the Bakra, this is the group 2.
Yes,
so now we know that group 2 we have 2. So here and I certain the do you love true story?
Yes, teacher.
So now let's see what is the story behind.
The journey of the solar wind. Once upon a time, in a high up in the sky, way behind the clouds, lived a glowing ball of a light named Sunny, the sun. Sunny was just warm and bright. He was also full of energies, and one morning, Sunny took a deep breath and said, "Time to send my sparkly messenger out into space." So he popped out of a soft, invisible breeze called solar wind. This breeze was made of an air. It was full of tiny, speedy protons and electrons, zooming through the space like racer on track. "Whee!" shouted the particles as they flew past the planet. But when they reached the Earth, something amazing happened. Earth had a special invisible shield called the magnetic field, and it protects all the people and animals from getting too much of the sunny sparkles. So some of the particles danced near the north and the south poles, creating a magical northern light, swirling a color in the night sky. The children on the earth looked up and said, "Wow, what a beautiful light show." Sunny smiled from far away and whispered, "That is the power of the solar wind, full of a light, speed, and wonder. And the solar wind keep blowing bright beauty and science across space every day. That's all. The end.
So, no, as you can see on our story, we have a lot of experiences that's going on. So, in enlightenment, what are they giving you a task? O ano ay makuha na lesson sa story?
Teacher, the story of the sun and the earth.
Very good. And
Teacher, the solar wind teacher comes from the sun.
very good. That's God. So, please give ourselves a round of applause again. So, everyone are participating for today. No? So now, based on our video earlier, no, we have eight group activities. Now, this activity must be unit and collaboration and group participant. And I need each group one participant. So, sana yung mga participant. So, ito nga, no, ang games natin is entitled by Protect the Earth. So, the group 2, or group 1, group 2, you must act and imagine you are the solar wind.
Yes, sir.
So, you need or your role to be na nagpalagpasan ang shield which is nuts, ang magiging shield ng solar ng Earth.
Yes, sir.
So, ang pangalan niya is magnetosphere.
Yes, sir.
So, you must be protected from yung solar comes from solar wind. So, now, so the group 1, parang sabi natin dugsumba ka, di ba? Yung ganda.
Yes, sir.
Yung parang protector. So, yung dapat i-protect ni Nas ang Earth yung sa likod niya.
Yes, sir.
Ikaw, you must be think on a strategy to go through in the...
Yes, sir.
So now, let's start.
Oh no! Teacher,
Very good, no? As you can see, no, each participant of group, no, showing how to protect the group 1, no, how to protect the Earth, and the group 2, no, showing to how the strategy to go through to the magnetospheres of Earth. So now, back to your seat. So let's give our own round of applause, please. So now, no, based on our activities earlier, so what do you think our lesson for today?
Teacher,
Yes, guys?
solar wind and magnetosphere.
Yes, pwede.
Teacher, this is all about the relationship of the solar wind and the magnet.
Very good. Good. So, our topic is related also. Our topic now is all about knowing the solar wind. So,
Interesting.
classmate. So, there have a question, no? There have a confusion about the solar wind. So, what do you think of how? Bakit natin gusto matutunan or malaman itong solar wind ito? So, ano ba ang dapat natin malaman? No? Bakit ba natin dapat ito malaman? Kung ano ba contribute ito? So, now, no, let's find and discover what is solar wind means. So, all of you, please read the solar wind means.
What is solar wind? Solar wind is a stream of charged particles or plasma, like electrons and protons, that come from the sun or corona of the sun.
So, based on your reading earlier, the solar wind, it is a development combination of two particles. What is the two particles? Yes.
Electrons and protons.
Very good. And the solar winds that can combine it made by
Sun, teacher.
very good. The solar wind is come from the outer of layer of sun, which is corona. So did you know the solar winds, they have a speed of 3 to 8 kilometers per second. Good. So it can be changed by the gravity of action or scientific development. So And did you know this solar wind is there have an extreme heat temperature that exceeding in 1 million Kelvin. So can you imagine, no? It's kind of like sa init na to, sa init na to is pwedeng matunaw kung ano-ano ang bahay sa ating sa Earth. No? Imagine mo rin, no? Kapag yung solar wind na to ay full fruit or nalagpasan ang boundaries of Earth, which is the magnetosphere, is mayroon pa bang magbubuhay sa bayan o sa ating bansa?
Teacher.
Yes?
Teacher. Wala na akong teacher.
Very good. That's right, no? It's no living things na magpapatitira sa ating Pilipinas or Earth. So now, no, we know what is solar wind. Did you know, as earlier I said, the solar winds or the Earth as a shield that protects us in the
from the heat of the sun, which is the soul, which is the solar.
Very good, no? So the Earth have a boundaries or shield that protects us from the heat of the solar wind, which is the
teacher.
Very good.
Magnetosphere, teacher.
Very good. Earth magnetosphere. So please read the Earth magnetosphere.
Earth's magnetosphere. Earth has protective magnetic shield called the magnetosphere. This shield reflects much of the solar wind, preventing it from reaching the Earth's surface and protecting life from harmful radiation.
Very good. No? So, as you can Earth magnetosphere, it is like, is an imagine, no? There have a shield, that this shield are protect us on the harmful temperature of the solar wind or sun, no? So, kanina, no, sinabi ko, kung wala ang magnetosphere, ay mabuhay ba tayo?
Teacher, hindi.
Very good, hindi na, no? Can you imagine on the Earth, no? Without a magnetosphere, or similar to the Mars. No, we know the Mars is there have a light or malibis lang na magnetosphere. So, we didn't know kung meron bang living things sa Mars na yun. Kasi, pero di rin natin alam kung meron ba or meron ba or wala.
So, sa Mars, teacher.
Yes. Wala din oxygen ang Mars mo. Alam natin. Kaya, we need an instrument or mga galaxy or NASA to come to the different planet of our universe. Doon pa lang ay alam na natin kung gaano ka-importante ang mga materials nito. So now, no, alam na natin kung ano ang Earth as solar wind and also the magnetosphere, that shield that protect us on this solar wind. So now, no, if that solar wind, no, did you know that if this solar wind comes to or interact the Earth's surface, which is the magnetosphere in all our Earth, no, may mga result or may mga outcomes sa deflecting or interacting within this magnetosphere. It is number one, so please read.
Space weather and auroras. Sometimes when solar wind interacts with Earth's magnetosphere, it can cause turning lights displays known as auroras or northern and southern lights.
No? If that solar wind interact the magnetosphere, there have a sum of particles of the aurora, ay the solar wind rather, it can reflect or surround on our surrounding the magnetosphere. It causes the severe result, it is the aurora, and it can be conflict to our satellite. No, satellite on the universe. Alam natin, kung sino ba nagkalang ng satellite?
Teacher,
Yes?
teacher, the satellite teacher is the technology teacher na ginawa ng tao teacher tapos nilagay sa space.
Very good, no? The satellite, it is our source or like internet that monitor our surrounding, no? Yes.
Kaya din mo sa atin, kailangan natin yung bagyo at ikot ng Earth natin.
Yes, you know, one of also the result of this solar wind, it can be make unstorm weather. Kung yun din, no? Yan lang yung mga nakita natin sa surrounding natin, it can be the effect of the aurora din or ng solar wind din. Dahil sa impact of this heat or speed between sa magnetic field natin. Kaya may possibility, will have a result or dito lang galing ng mga nararanas natin init or mga bagyo or storm. So, alam na natin, no, this solar winds is, there have several or many benefit to us to know, no, kung bakit natin dapat nalaman ang ganitong topic. Dahil to be aware what is happening to our surrounding. Kung di natin alam ang ganitong topic, ano na ang mangyayari sa atin, di ba?
Teacher, this solar wind is very dangerous and it's very hot, teacher. So if you have to go teacher and teacher that the magnetic field of Earth teacher is not that it's going to be heat, teacher. The Earth's surface will burn, teacher, like Mars, teacher. Yeah, very hot and causing high temperature, teacher.
And teacher, if we know about the solar wind and by the magnetic field, it can lessen the human activities that can destroy our surface of the Earth, and that can affect the magnetic field, teacher. Just know that we are going to help our Earth to build a good shield for us to protect from the heat of the sun.
No, that's why that is going to answer there will be meaning significance to our protect us, no? Para natin maiwasan, kaya na sinabi ni Nats, no? There are a reason or simple action that can be help our surrounding. Maiwasan natin ang pagsusunog. Ito yung mga iwasan natin ang pagkatapuan or yung mga less pollution of our earth or less mga pinupos natin ng pollution. Dito pa lang, ay makakontrol natin, ay magtulungan natin ang ating ozone layer and also the magnetosphere, no? So, alam na natin kung ano ang may tutulong, kung bakit natin malaman, o dapat natin malaman or bakit, o ganito ang surrounding. So now, no, based on our discussion, I have here a generalization to you in order to you to observe or analyze or do it para malaman niyo o malaman niyo ano ba talaga ang solar wind ito. I have here a model that can show how work or deliver this speed of the solar wind into the magnetosphere.
Wow! Amazing! Whoa!
So very beautiful, teacher.
As you can see, no,
There's a light glass.
Yes. There's a black, beautiful one. Wow!
did you imagine, no? This is the sun.
Sun, teacher.
Very good. Sun, no, is in this.
Earth, teacher.
And also this. Very good, no? Imagine this. This between this sun and earth, as the sun is producing a solar wind, which is the they have a primary particles that protons and electrons. This solar wind produce a plasma between the particles. They deliver the speed of 400 kilometers to up to 8 kilometers per second. 800 kilometers per second. No? They have a temperature that 1 million to 2 million Kelvin. So
That's so hot, teacher.
now it's so
Can
hot.
melt our bones.
Yeah, precisely. Different living things from our earth can be melted without the boundaries of the boundaries or shield held by the magnetosphere. So, actually, imagine mo, nakita dito, this solar wind is probably through the earth or the shield of the our earth. Pagkakating ng solar wind sa magnetosphere is pinoprotektahan tayo. Tapos yung solar wind na to ay yung sum of solar wind o particles of solar wind nakapunta dahil sa lakas o shield ng magnetosphere, ay naka-reflect lang, naka-bounce lang ang particles ng solar wind. Dahil dito, ang mga particles some particles ng solar wind ay nakapunta sa gilid ng magnetosphere. No? Ito na yung magkakaroon tayo ng northern and southern aurora like auroras. So, ngayon mga bata, based on our activity and also the model that we observed on present of teacher, what have you learned about that?
Teacher, as you can see, teacher, I learned that the sun is composed of sun with solar wind, teacher. Then the solar wind travels 400 to 800 kilometers per second into the Earth magnetosphere. It's the Earth magnetosphere protects the Earth from the sun, teacher. And with the Earth's heat, it can travel through the surface of the universe. So it can have the speed about 400 kilometers. And when the particles that is of electron and protons, so it can deflect or bounce back because of our shield magnetosphere. And some of the particles can enter from the Earth's surface. That's why we have auroras, and that's why we feel hot and contribute for us to live and can support the lives of the plants, human, animals.
Very good. All of the answers are correct. Our chapter. And let's give a round of applause for that. No. So today, in order for you to learn something again, we have another activities. So these activities, you must be writing about. You need to show a display of, for example, each group are in group 1 and group 2, they have a similar or object of activities now.
Yes.
You need also to collab to your classmate to make these activities. And we have an envelope. This inside of envelope, there have a materials and also a books. And now let's start.
Done.
So now, please, each participant must go to in front to explain their group activities.
Teacher, or it's all about the arrangement of the solar flow,
Yes.
or with the heat of the sun through the magnetosphere. So first, this teacher, based on our collaboration and brainstorming with my group mates, first, for us to know what is the solar wind, we should know about the sun. As the sun is the one who produces energy that asks for to survive their lives. It can help us to feel warm. Sometimes the sun teacher can produce a lot of heat teacher. That's why we have solar wind. So it means the solar wind comes from the sun. So the solar wind travels through the universe to the sun teacher until the particles or the solar wind reaches the Earth. So when the particles or the solar wind reaches the Earth, there's a shield. It's called magnetosphere. So this shield teacher protects us from the heat of the solar wind or the sun teacher. Sometimes, teacher, the solar wind can really protect us because sometimes there's still particles that can enter to our our Earth's surface. That's why we have aurora teacher. So this aurora teacher is very beautiful. I see this blue of light teacher's light. There's a dancing light teacher above the sun. Dancing light teacher. Hello teacher.
Let's give a round of applause to the group 1 and group 2.
Teacher.
So now, also your turn na.
So teacher, based on our collaboration teacher with scientific and the sharing of ideas, we have formed that the solar winds came from the sun, teacher. These are made by two particles, which is the electrons and the protons, teacher. So the solar wind, teacher, is produced by the sun. So it travels 400 kilometers to 800 kilometers into the Earth, teacher, which it brings the magnetosphere of the Earth, which is the shield of the Earth, teacher. So yes, some of the solar wind, teacher, enter the Earth's surface, which is we still feel the hotness, teacher, and the weather inside of our planet, teacher. And teacher, some of the particles that is hit the magnetosphere of the Earth, teacher, forming auroras, teacher, and the space weather. So that's what is our finding, teacher.
All of your answer, all the participant answer is very good, correct, no? So for that, no, let's give the group 1 and group 2 a round of applause. And now, no, for you, in order for you to measure if you have a learning about our activities, now our lesson. So now, teacher is have a evaluation and get one whole sheet of paper. So now, yes, first, focusing ka. Andiyan na ba yung pan nyo?
Yes, teacher, already ready.
So, let's wait.
Hello, ma'am.
So now, student, please read first the direction of our letters. So, all of you, please read.
Direction. Read each question carefully. Choose the best answer from the given options A, B, C, and D, and write the letter of the answer on the blank for your answer.
So, no direction, no. Just read each question carefully and choose this this 4 letter, which is if you answer the number 1 is A, just put or answer the A in the blank. Do you understand? So, I give you 5 minutes for this, no?
Teacher,
Done, teacher. So, done, no? So, get your assignment notebook for your assignment book to pass this tomorrow. And now, student, wait. So for your assignment, please read the instruction.
Instruction. Draw a simple diagram showing the sun, solar wind, how it interacts with Earth's magnetic field labeled the parts.
So your assignment would just draw a nice simple diagram showing the sun, solar wind, or how this interact in our planet. Like example, no? May papakita sa teacher, example. So as you can see on this, no? This picture, they're showing of the sun. They have a solar wind comes from Corona. So just a simple explanation or name put in this flow. So they have a solar wind heat of measure and 1 million kilobit, and also the speed you can put it, and also the flow on how the solar wind travel into or interact into the magnetosphere of our Earth. Do you understand, students?
Yes, teacher.
So now, no? Did you enjoy our lab for the day?
Yes, teacher.
So let's see who is the winner for today's, no? So, group 1 and group 2, please, all of you, can you, all of you count the count of voice that you get? First, group 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So, the group 1 is get as 6
Points.
and the group 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So, the group 2 is getting the 5 points. Who is the winner for the day?
Group one.
Very good. Let's give a round of applause for the group 1. So, we have enjoyed and a lot of things to learn about the solar wind. So now, we know what is solar wind. So, alam na natin kung bakit natin dapat matutunan o nalaman ang solar wind. So now, for the warman, getting to our, just prepare of your notebook, just pick it up, and let's pray for the nice. And begin having fun.
Amen.
Very good, Goodbye, student.